It's a great event. This looks like a crowded room. Plenty of people came out. Lots of great vendors. We're seeing a lot of cool customers, new investors, new people to the industry, and it's fun to be with everyone.
Who is here for the first time? Holy cow, isn't that amazing? We've grown every time, and I'm happy to report that this is our third event in a row with a record turnout. We're gonna have incredible programming here, but the best resource are the people sitting with you.
If this is your first time at a CLA event, the content and what you're gonna see here is just part of it. Like, you should be getting people's emails and phone numbers. Like, some of the best relationships I have come through events like this.
All the sessions are real great. You're gonna learn a lot here. So if you didn't come, well, you're really missing out. You're really missing out.
Laundry is not just about clean clothes anymore. It is your connection with communities in many, many different ways.
So have that trusted group of people that you can work around that will help you figure out how to do this so you're not making mistakes when you're cutting your teeth on it. So I'm practicing it before I get on the phone with others.
It's getting to that point with laundry. Nobody has time. People are time poor. They want to spend time with their kids, their family, or they're just simply working too much and they don't have time.
In order to become the 1%, you must do what the other 99 won't. Pretty straightforward, right? No substitute for hard work.